So September is going to be an exciting month for Apple fans, as Apple is planning to launch a bunch of new products, including the next Apple Watch, a new iPad, the earpower wireless charging pad, and of course the much awaited iPhone 12 series. And today we have got the leaked display module of the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 display, courtesy of Digital Chat Station via SIG device. The leaked display module suggests that the display of the 5.4-inch iPhone will have a notch which will be similar to the iPhone 12 in terms of size. It also suggests that the front of the upcoming 5.4-inch iPhone will have a full screen design that will be great for one-handed use. According to the previous leak, the iPhone 12 series will include 4 different models: iPhone 12, 12 Max, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. The display specs of all these models won't be identical to one another. The base model, that is iPhone 12, will feature a 5.4-inch display that has a screen resolution of new 960 by 2079 pixels, and that has a pixel density of 424 ppi. This resolution is way above Apple's Retina display standard, so at least in that respect, the iPhone 12 may prove to be superior than the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max, if the latter again ships with an HD Plus screen, even with OLED technology. The iPhone 12 cameras will include 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, similar to the iPhone 12 Max. Apple was recently rumored to have scheduled an online event on September 8 for the announcement of all these products. The shipments for the Apple Watch Series 6 will commence on Friday, September 18th, while those for the iPad 8 will start on Monday, September 28th. An iPhone 12 and 12 Max is reportedly prepared for pre-orders on Friday, October 2nd, ahead of the shipments a week later on October 9. The launch date is much later than usual. Apple typically releases a new iPhone in the third week of September alongside the Apple Watch, and means the models won't be available for consumer to buy until 1 month after the event. The iPhone 12 and 12 Max will be priced at $649 and $749 respectively. 1 week after the shipments of the standard iPhone 12 models, on October 16th, Apple is apparently going to open up the pre-orders for the iPhone 12 Pro series, and the launch is scheduled on October 23rd. As for pricing, iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will cost $999 and $1,099 in the United States. The earpower and eartags launch dates remains a mystery till today. So what does Apple have in mind for the battery capacities of the iPhone 12 series? First of all, the battery is going to need to do some heavy lifting. Powering a 5G connectivity is a heavy-duty task itself. Regulatory agency Safety Korea recently revealed the battery sizes of the iPhone 12 lineup. Overall, this isn't that much different, and that leads us to believe that Apple is counting on the 5nm process of the A14 Bionic chip to hike the battery life on the iPhone 12 models, with no charger expected to be included in the box this year. So you can expect to pay around $30 if you want to buy a new charger to go with your new phone. A very Apple thing. The Apple iPhone 12 series will probably include a new braided USB-C to Lightning cable. Leakster Love to Dream is giving us a first look at the new cables, which comes in black and white color. This is the first time Apple is using the black color. The cable is reportedly 1 meter long. It's a little bit thicker than the current USB-C to Lightning cable. That's about it. So yeah, if you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.